Ho, 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 my lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Well, boys and girls, last week you drew a series of lines like this to create this wonderful Advent wreath. And I got some of your lovely wreath, and we'll be showing it in the after this video. You'll be seeing the children whose work I received, and will be receiving a lovely certificate for your hard work. So this week, boys and girls, we are going to do something crafty. So let's get started, boys and girls. You're going to draw and create a triptych. This is a triptych. Now, a triptych is an altarpiece which consists of 3 panels, 1, 2, 3, and it has a religious picture on it. So we're going to do the religious, the Nativity Scene, and we're going to draw it in this video. We're going to draw it, and then you're going to stick it in on these panels and share it with me, boys and girls. So let's get started with this drawing. So the first thing you need to do is get paper, typing paper, fold it in half like this and cut it so that you will get 2 sheets of paper like this, which I've done already. All right, you're going to put one to the side, and then we're going to concentrate on this one. This is the largest side of the panel, and we're going to draw the Nativity Scene. So, boys and girls, when baby Jesus was born, he was born to our Blessed Mother, and I'm going to draw a lovely picture of our baby Jesus like that. And he was born to our Blessed Mother after the angel appeared to Mother Mary and said that you have been chosen by God on high to be the mother of our Savior. And she was just so amazed and happy at the same time to be chosen by God, you know. She felt very humble, and she said, "Behold the handmaid of the Lord, be it done unto me according to thy word." And so she said yes to God. She said yes, she will be the mother of the Savior, Jesus Christ. And so we have our beautiful baby Jesus with a lovely tuft of hair coming like that. All right, little ears like that. And when he was born, Mother Mary wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid him on a manger, because there was no room in the inn. And this is actually hay, and the hay was for the animals who were in the stable, because there was no room in the inn. Joseph tried so hard, and he was not able to get a place to stay. And yeah, so this kind innkeeper said, well, you know, he could see that Joseph really and there was nobody who was going to help him, so he decided to give his stable to Joseph so that he could stay the night. And yeah, it's just so amazing. Our baby Jesus was born on Christmas Day, and yeah, it was just a beautiful moment. So we have baby Jesus, we have our Blessed Mother with her Immaculate Heart. And yeah, Joseph, he was searching, couldn't find anywhere, but eventually he got somewhere, and thank God he was able to get a place to stay. And so we have Joseph right here, and he's really happy that he was able to get a place, and that's his head covering, comes all the way down here, and then they wear this long tunic that comes all the way down here like that, and we have this tunic going down here, and that's the nativity scene. And when Jesus was born, this great big star, boys and girls, appeared in the night sky to indicate that baby Jesus was born. And then you see all the other little stars in the night, but it was none to compare this great big star that appeared when baby Jesus was born. So this is going on one side of our lovely triptych. This is the middle part, and we're going to take the other part, the other side of the paper we cut in half, and we're going to fold it again in half like this. Fold it nicely, and then get a pair of scissors, and snip it right there in the middle like that, boys and girls. And when you've cut that like that, that's going to go on each side of your triptych. So we'll do one side, and then we'll do the other. So on one side, boys and girls, we're going to have this cute little shepherd, and he's going to be like waiting. Actually, the angel came down on him, so we're going to draw an angel in a moment. And the angel, you know, said, that baby Jesus is born, and you need to pay homage to this king, this newborn king. So this shepherd said, oh, well, you know, I'd better waste no time. I need to go and find this baby Jesus where he is, so I can pay him homage. And that's his staff in his hand, like that, and his other hand is right there. He's ready to go out to follow that bright star, because the angel told him to follow the bright star, and then you will find Jesus. So we have the shepherd with the sheep. So we're going to have a sheep like this, and the sheep is like that, and yeah, there he is. So that's the shepherd, there's his sheep. You can draw another one like that as well. All right, and the angel just getting the shepherd attention to say, you know, you need to get there very quickly to pay homage to the Saviour who's been born in Bethlehem in a stable. So he said that, how do I get there? Well, just follow that bright star over there. You just follow it, and it's the biggest of them all. It's not those little teeny weeny stars in the sky. It's the brightest and biggest one. So that's the shepherd off to, don't forget the halo, off to follow the bright star. And on this side here now we had the three wise men, and simply we're just going to draw hills coming like that, and we're going to draw three men, 1, 2, 3, carrying boxes of frankincense, gold and myrrh, with crowns on their head, and they're going to pay homage to the king. And we're gonna they are actually astronomers, and they study stars, and they said, well, these are not the stars, it's got to be somewhere. So they continued on their journey looking for that bright star. So boys and girls, there you have it, your 3 pictures to stick on your panel. So let me give you an example of how it would look if you open your, after you made your triptych, which is going to look something like this. You just stick the biggest panel in the middle of your drawing like that, and then you have the shepherds right here with the sheep, and you're going to have the 3 wise men walking in the distance on the hills, walking up those hills until they find the newborn king. And there you have it. If you put that together like that, you'll get this amazing triptych like that, boys and girls. How amazing. When you color that in and you stick it in, you can put that on your altarpiece, and your mummy and your daddy will be so proud of you, and I will be proud of you as well, because I can't wait to see your work. So that I can maybe upload it to my next YouTube video. So boys and girls, there you have it again. And well done for those of you who uploaded your pictures. Your parents sent them to me and I got them, and you'll be getting your certificates shortly. So God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Congratulations to the following students who are featured in my YouTube channel. You'll be receiving this certificate soon.